Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to change Spotify playlist picture on iPhone. To start, open and locate your Spotify application in your mobile device. Once on Spotify, click on your library. It's located in the bottom corner of your mobile device. Once you are here, tap on any of your new playlist. Just tap on it to open it. Once you have opened your playlist, this time you will see different photos. To edit this one out, the first step you need to do is to tap on the three dots. And then in here, click on Edit. This one over here, this three dots. And then click on Edit, the one with the pencil icon. This pop-up will then appear. Just click on Change Image. Once you tap on it, click on Choose from Library. And then in here, take your time in choosing whatever cover photo you are going to be using for your playlist over in Spotify. Now just wait for Spotify to finish saving your changes. Now once you go back to your library, you will see that it has a new photo. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.